Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi everyone, I am Leo, and I am ready to learn with you today.
Today, we will talk about food and how to order and describe meals in English.
We will use simple words, short sentences, and clear pronunciation.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want real conversation practice.
I will ask questions and answer with easy sentences you can copy.
I will teach useful phrases for cafes, restaurants, and home.
I will repeat words so you can repeat with me at home.
Let's start with common food words you hear every day.
The foods are bread, rice, pasta, chicken, fish, egg, soup, salad, and pizza.
More foods are apple, banana, orange, tomato, potato, cheese, and yogurt.
More foods are burger, sandwich, fries, cake, and ice cream.
Now let's learn common drink words you can use anywhere.
The drinks are water, milk, juice, coffee, tea, and soda.
More drinks are lemonade, hot chocolate, and smoothie.
Now we will use the words in short, clear sentences.
I like rice and chicken for lunch.
I like pasta with tomato sauce for dinner.
I eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink water during the day.
I drink tea in the evening.
Now we will talk about taste and texture words.
The taste words are sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and spicy.
The texture words are hot, cold, warm, fresh, soft, and crispy.
I will make short sentences with taste and texture.
This soup is hot and salty.
This salad is fresh and light.
This cake is sweet and soft.
These fries are salty and crispy.
This lemonade is cold and sour.
This coffee is hot and bitter.
Now we will practice how to order food at a cafe.
First, we greet and ask for a menu.
Good morning. May I see the menu, please?
Good morning. Here's the menu. Please take your time.
Thank you. I would like a coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
Milk, please. And 1 croissant.
Great. Anything else for you today?
That is all. Thank you.
You are welcome. Your total is $5.
Now we will learn useful phrases for ordering.
The phrases are I would like, can I have, and I will take.
More phrases are anything else, for here or to go, and that is all.
I will use the phrases in short sentences.
I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
Can I have a small salad and the juice?
I will take a coffee to go, please.
That is all for me. Thank you.
Now we will learn sizes and options.
The size words are small, medium, and large.
The option words are with milk, without sugar, no ice, and extra ice.
I will make example sentences with sizes and options.
I would like a large coffee with milk.
Can I have a small tea without sugar?
I will take a medium lemonade with no ice.
I would like a large smoothie with extra ice.
Now we will learn how to ask about ingredients.
The question is, what is in this?
Another question is, does it have meat or does it have nuts?
I will use the questions in short dialogues.
What is in the soup today?
The soup has chicken, rice, and vegetables.
Does the salad have cheese?
Yes, the salad has cheese and tomatoes.
Does the cake have nuts?
No, the cake does not have nuts.
Now we will ask about price and time.
The price question is how much is it?
The time question is how long does it take?
I will make 2 examples with price and time.
How much is the chicken sandwich?
It is $7.
How long does the pizza take?
It takes 15 minutes.
Now we will order at a restaurant with a server.
I will be the server and I will greet you.
Good evening. Do you have a table for 2?
Good evening. Yes, please follow me to your table.
Thank you. May I have the menu, please?
Of course. Here are the menus. Can I get you any drinks?
Yes, I would like a glass of water and a juice.
Great. Are you ready to order food?
Yes, I will take the chicken with rice, please.
Would you like a side salad or fries?
A side salad, please.
Excellent. Anything else?
That is all for now. Thank you.
You are welcome. I will bring your order soon.
Now we will learn how to change or add something.
The phrase is, can I change? And can I add?
I will use the phrases in two examples.
Can I change fries to salad?
Yes, you can change fries to salad.
Can I add cheese to the burger?
Yes, you can add cheese to the burger.
Now we will learn how to say you do not eat something.
I do not eat, and I am allergic to.
I will make short examples with these phrases.
I do not eat pork.
I am allergic to nuts.
I do not drink soda.
I am allergic to shrimp.
Now we will talk about polite words for service.
The polite words are please, thank you, and you are welcome.
More polite words are excuse me and could you?
I will use polite words in short lines.
Excuse me, could you bring some water, please?
Yes, of course. Here is your water.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Now we will describe our favorite meals.
I will listen and then I will share my favorite meal.
My favorite meal is rice with chicken and salad.
My favorite meal is pasta with tomato sauce and cheese.
I like hot soup on a cold day.
I like cold juice on a hot day.
I like sweet fruit after lunch.
I like fresh bread with butter in the morning.
Now we will practice simple small talk at a cafe.
I will ask you friendly questions about food.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
What do you drink with breakfast?
I drink coffee with milk.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Now we will practice special requests.
The phrases are no sugar, less salt, and extra sauce.
I will make short example requests.
Can I have my coffee with no sugar?
Can I have my soup with less salt?
Can I have my fries with extra sauce?
Can I have my sandwich with no onions?
Can I have my pizza without cheese?
Now we will practice checking the order.
The phrase is, let me repeat your order.
I will be the server and I will repeat the order.
You ordered a chicken sandwich with salad and a large water.
Yes, that is correct. Thank you.
I will bring your order in 10 minutes.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Now we will practice paying the bill.
The phrases are the bill, please, and can I pay by card?
I will make a short dialogue with payment.
Excuse me, the bill, please.
Of course, here's the bill.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or by cash.
Thank you. Here is my card.
Thank you. Your payment is complete.
Now we will review key phrases for ordering.
The key phrases are I would like, can I have, and I will take.
More key phrases are for here or to go, and that is all.
More key phrases are how much is it and how long does it take.
More key phrases are does it have and what is in this.
Now we will practice a full order from start to finish.
Hello, may I see the menu, please?
Hello, here is the menu. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like a chicken salad and a small juice.
Would you like anything else?
That is all. Thank you.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Your total is $9.
Thank you. Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change and your receipt.
Thank you very much. The service is very good.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Now we will add descriptions of meals using taste words.
I will use sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and spicy.
This chicken is spicy and very tasty.
This soup is salty, but warm and comforting.
This salad is fresh and light for lunch.
This cake is sweet and soft for dessert.
This lemonade is sour and cold, perfect for summer.
This coffee is bitter and hot in the morning.
Now we will practice simple compliments about food.
The phrases are, it tastes great, and this is delicious.
I will make examples with compliments.
This pasta tastes great.
This soup is delicious.
This pizza is very good.
This salad is perfect.
Now we will practice sending food back politely if needed.
The phrases are, excuse me, and this is not what I ordered.
I will make a short, polite example.
Excuse me, I ordered a salad, not fries.
I am sorry. I will bring your salad right away.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Thank you for your patience.
Now we will finish with the quick review.
We learned food words, drink words, and taste words.
We learned how to order and how to ask about ingredients.
We learned how to make special requests and how to pay.
We practiced polite words for good service.
We practice small talk about meals and preferences.
You can listen again and repeat the key phrases.
You can write your own restaurant dialogue at home.
Thank you for listening to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing simple English every day.
See you next time, and enjoy your next meal in English.